Hello students of Standard 5th. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will start with a new unit of your English reader E-Generation. Dear students, we know that science has brought with it countless inventions which have made it efficient and comfortable. Think of such inventions and complete the invention web given below. Some examples are done for you. For example, for home, phone is available, washing machine is there to make our work easier. For entertainment, of course, we have television. For transport, easily we can travel from one place to another in a very short time through aeroplane. So what are the other means of transport? Now dear students, use the clues and solve the crossword that tells us about different inventions. Some examples are solved for you to make it more easier for you. For example, it looks like a box, but we can see and hear news, movies, games, serials on it. It is a 10-letter word. What is it? It is television. Next, look like a small television and has a keyboard attached to it. 8-letter word. What is it? It is none other than computer. You can hear but not see songs, news, dramas, commentary, advertisements and announcements on it. What is it? It's a radio. A video played on the television by attaching a machine to it. What is it? What is it? It's a video game. In the same way, dear students, try to finish the remaining ones. Dear students, some words are given in the box below. Write them against their meanings. Words are scarecrow, virus, trap, chumps, hacker, nickname, pathetic and attic. Let us see some examples which are done. A funny name used instead of real name. What is it? It's a nickname. A person who works on a computer network without permission. He is known as hacker. Trick to catch a person means trap. Dear students, here is one listening task to you. Listen to a radio talk in the Step into the World of Technology series. The topic is what is a credit card. Now listen and complete the table given below. What is a credit card? Isha Sood is saying, good morning friends. This is Isha Sood welcoming you to our Monday evening series. Step into the world of technology. Today we take up the topic, what is a credit card? I welcome to the program Mrs. Medha Kulkarni and Mr. Deepak Oberoi. They will tell us what a credit card really is. Good morning, Mrs. Kulkarni. Good morning, Mr. Oberoi. Mr. Oberoi is saying, hello, Mrs. Kulkarni. Good morning. Isha, many of us have seen people carrying a small plastic card kept safely in their purses. Mrs. Kulkarni, could you tell us what it is? Now Mrs. Kulkarni is answering, Isha, what you just described is called a credit card. Credit cards are small cards made of high quality plastic. Isha says, what is written on the card? Mrs. Kulkarni, on the front side you can see the name of the bank, the name of the card holder and card number. Isha, okay, so that's what it is. On the front side of the card, we have the name of the bank, the name of the card holder and the card number. What is about the back of the card, Mrs. Kulkarni? On the back side, there are only two things. One is the holder's signature and the other a small band. Isha is saying the holder's signature are important, but what is the band for? Mrs. Kulkarni replies, the band is for the computer. It checks the correctness of the card. Isha, where can the credit cards be used? Mrs. Kulkarni, they can be used at shops, telephone booths, milk booths, ticket counters of railway stations, airports and many other places. I have seen them being used at shops and petrol pumps too. Isha then asked, but Mr. Oberoi, who issues these credit cards? Mr. Oberoi replies, well, credit cards are used by the banks. Isha, what is the maximum amount of money the card holder can spend by using these cards? Mr. Oberoi says, you see, banks issue different limits to different individuals. Isha then asks, can the card holder use his credit card in all type of shops? To this, Mr. Oberoi replies, no, a card holder can use this credit card in some shops only. Isha then asks, membership establishments. Oh, I see. That is wonderful. I am sure our listeners agree with me if I say credit cards are a blessing in today's e-world. That's all we have for this week, guys. Thank you, Mr. Oberoi, and thank you, Mrs. Kulkarni. Mrs. Kulkarni also says, thanks a lot. Mr. Oberoi also says, thank you. So, dear students, here we finish our today's session. We will continue with the same unit in our next session. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.